Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 600 square meters for a package price of 12 million pesos. This is beach lot, so it is a beach front. So 12 million pesos. The title is on process. Mugawas na karong Agosto. So the title will be available on August because it's on process. So this is a beach lot. So that is the situation, guys. Located in Panglao Island, Bohol, beside to a resort. Kilid sa resort hotel. Mana siya, guys. Then the adjacent is 886 square meters at 20,000 pesos per square meter. So the adjacent is this one, no? This is the adjacent, 886 square meters at 20,000 pesos per square meter. So meaning the situation in front, there is a beach front, then in reality you cannot really build or a big structure in front of the beach, but the back portion or the adjacent is for sale, so you can have a development at the 886 square meters. So buot pasabot na ko, guys, kini mag yung atubangan ani maigo magyud sa sitback, mao na nga murag dilhi jud ka makadevelop kaayo dagko nga structure. So adto lang kas likod. Thank you.